we will guide you through how to change window view in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and open one or more documents that you want to work with. Once the files are open, click Window on the top menu to access the options for managing your workspace. Then go to Arrange to see the different ways Photoshop can organize your open documents. Review the available document view options and choose the layout that best matches how you want to work. Select Tile All vertically to place the open documents side by side in vertical windows, which can be useful when you want to compare two or more files at the same time. When you want to change the arrangement, return to Window, open Arrange again, and select Tile All horizontally to place the documents in a horizontal layout instead. Return to Window and Arrange once more, then choose one of the multi-up layouts if you have several documents open and want Photoshop to display them together in an organized grid. If you prefer the normal tab workspace again, and choose Consolidate All to Tabs, which moves the open documents back into tabs within the main Photoshop window. You can then click any document tab to quickly switch between your open files without changing the overall workspace arrangement. If you need to view the same document from two different positions, use Window, Arrange, and then choose New Window for the current document, creating another view of the same file while keeping both views synchronized. After creating the views you need, arrange the windows into the layout that feels most comfortable for your editing workflow, whether you are comparing images, copying details between documents, or simply keeping multiple files visible. Once the workspace is organized the way you want, continue editing your Photoshop project or save your work as needed.